This is Dasan Mahmood from Mautala Secondary School, Hizla, Borishal. I am an English teacher. Today I am going to discuss about suffixes and prefixes and the uses of words of speeches. Okay, so let's start. Suffix and prefix. Suffix is used to make noun, adjectives, adverbs and verbs. Adjective, verbs. So we have to remember that we normally use suffix to make noun, adjectives, adverb and verb. And by prefix we can make verb, antonym of adjectives, of words. Okay, so the uses of suffix and prefixes are two. Suffix is used to make noun, of adjectives, adverb and verb, and prefix is used to make verb and antonym of word. Now I will discuss how to make noun from different parts of speech. How to make noun from different parts of speech. We know noun is a naming word. That means the word which states any name is called noun. To use noun, we have to know the places where noun is appropriate. First of all, I will discuss here in which sequences you should use noun. Okay, so noun, uses of nouns. Yes, noun must be used as a subject or verb. Noun must be used as a subject or verb. Noun is a subject. It will be used as a subject or verb. For example, prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. Here the word is the verb, and this word prevention comes before this verb is, so this is noun. So first position of noun is that it will be placed before verb. Noun will be placed before verb. The second rule is as an object of verb. As an object of verb. For example, she makes a basket. Here the word basket is used after the verb makes. That's why as makes the verb, basket must be noun because it has been placed after principal verb or after verb. So try to remember these two rules always, that noun will be used before verb and after verb. That means when noun will be used before verb, it is termed as subject, and when it will be used as after verb, it will be termed as object. Besides these two uses, there are some other uses after preposition, article and adjectives. Noun will be used after preposition, article and adjectives. Noun will be used after preposition, article and adjectives. preposition, article, and adjectives. For example, she is a liar. She is a liar. She is a liar. Here is a verb, is an article, as is an article. So liar must be noun, because in this rule we learn that after article we normally use noun. Okay, so liar is a noun. Same as after adjective we use noun. This is called the predicative possessive adjective. Like she is a good singer. She's a good singer. She is a good singer. Here, singer is a noun. Is an adjective. Sorry. Here, singer is a noun and good is an adjective. As good is adjective, singer is noun, because noun will be placed after adjectives. Noun will be placed after adjectives. Now, I will discuss about how to change verb into noun. That means how to make noun from different types of words. Okay, let's go. Today, our discussion is only about suffix. So, I'm just using the noun. How to convert what into noun? If there is word in a question paper which ends with T or T, especially if any verb ends with T or TE. If any verb ends with T or TE, we use TION to make the verb noun. If any verb ends with T or TE, to make the word noun, we have to use TION short by after omitting T or TE. For example, create, CREATE, create. Here, the verb create ends with TE. It's a verb, and to make this create verb into noun, we have to omit TE, and after omitting TE, we should add TION short. That means creation. Here, TION is a suffix. Same as pollute. Pollute ends with TE. Pollute ends with TE. To make this word noun, we have to use TION by omitting TE. For example, pollution. Here, pollution. Remember that this word pollution is noun. TION, remember that this word is noun. If there is TION at the end of any word, the word must be noun. Okay, so act must be action. Act, action. Prevent, prevention, right? Prevention. Okay, so in this rule we know that if any verb ends with T or TE, to make that word noun, we have to use TION short after the verb by omitting T or TE. Create, creation. Pollute, pollution. Act, action. Prevent, prevention. I hope all of you have understood it clearly. Okay. Now I will discuss about another suffixes to make noun. This suffix is SION. SION. The pronunciation of SION is zan. For example, conclusion. Here the word conclusion is a noun because there is SION after the verb conclude. Okay, so the rules is that if any verb ends with D or DE, if any verb ends with D or DE, we have to use SION. We have to use SION to make the verb ending with D or D, to make the verb noun. Okay, so we have to omit this word, these letters D or DE. For example, invade, provide, conclude, add. Here invade ends with DE. We have to write invasion. Provide, pair of VI, with pair of VI, SION. Provision. Instead of using, after omitting DE, here we use shall. Same as conclude and add. Okay, so TION and SION. I think these two suffixes are clear to you. Using these two suffixes, we can make verb into noun. Okay, try to remember, if there is any verb that ends with TE, we must use TION, and if the verb ends with D or DE, we must use SION by omitting D or D, T or TE. Okay, good dear student. Now I will discuss about how to make noun from verb adding er or or. By adding er or or, we normally use noun, and especially we normally use agent, personal noun. Okay, so here there are some words: play, player, sing, singer, produce, producer, consume, consumer. If there is any verb like teach, here teach is a verb and the person who teach is teacher. That means after by using er or or, after the verb we can make the verb agent or noun. We can make the verb noun, personal. Same as play, player, sing, singer, produce, producer, consume and consumer. This, by using er or, we can make many verb into noun, personal noun. Okay, let's go. Visit. Here visit. Try to remember that. Always remember that after visit we do not use er, we must use or. Visit will be visitor. Visit will be visitor. Project will be projector. Project will be projector. Dictate would be